Is your 3D printing gathering dust in the garage? Then why not monetize the idle machinery? The 3D printer comes with an underlying motivator to earn money. Here are 5 ways to make money with 3D printer. Let's get started. Creality Cloud is a 3D model marketplace online, developed by Creality. It is an all-encompassing platform that offers model downloading, slicing, and remote printing. Till now, it reached almost 1,200,000 subscribed users. It also offers mobile version applications, iOS and Android. You can easily upload your 3D model files from your mobile. What are you waiting for? Go to sign up now. Way 2. Sell pre-made 3D prints on Etsy. Did you know you can make money with 3D printer on Etsy too? The online network is home to global 3D printing hobbyists and experts trying to make a living. It is a digital marketplace that has played a significant role in how to make money with a 3D printer. Etsy is well known for selling handcrafted and custom items. However, one must consider the legality of selling in online marketplaces. Etsy filters the clients and creates a safe space for your small 3D printing business to grow. It will instantly publish the 3D printing design. Moreover, its advertisement is more inexpensive than Google too. On the other hand, Etsy offers low profit margins, making it very challenging to build a rapport. Way 3. Start a 3D printing YouTube channel. Since 3D printing is relatively new, you can monetize the opportunity by uploading 3D printer-related videos to YouTube. It is the best option to make money using a 3D printer without hefty capital investment. You can teach the views about installing, purchasing, or repairing a 3D printer. With regular uploads and engagement in the comment section, your YouTube channel is likely to grow. As a result, you can collaborate with manufacturers to promote 3D printing. Moreover, you can also build an affiliate income with embedded links and discount codes. The proceeds are transferred to your bank account from each purchase. In other words, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, advertisement, and donations diversify your income. YouTube offers numerous monetization strategies so you can build authority on the subject matter. Way 4. Rent your 3D printer for events. Thankfully, the pandemic is over, and economic activities are returning to normal. The market shift is an excellent opportunity to make money with 3D printers by renting them. The rental amount varies from a few hundred to thousands of dollars. It will factor in the rental duration and the 3D printer brand. If you are interested in renting your 3D printer, launch an advertisement on relevant forums and social media platforms. Remember to mention contact details and other relevant information for streamlined communication. Lastly, complete the ad with potential outcomes if the 3D printer is returned broken. You can save rental income to purchase more 3D printers, thus expanding the operations. Way 5. Start a 3D printing service. Opening a 3D printer service is another way to make money from 3D printing. When the business launches, the potential client will send over their design for printing. The company will provide a quote and an estimation of the services. The expenses of running a 3D printing service are relatively low. You only need to invest in a 3D printer if you are the operator and the owner. There are no inventory and storage costs. Any ideas on how to make money with a 3D printer? Being free to comment below.